Good day, I'm Rohann Slabbert, Group National Sales Manager of Knittex. Knittex was established in 1964 and is known as a world leader in the manufacturing and supply of knitted synthetic fabrics, shade net, used in the agricultural, domestic, industrial, civil and mining industries. Knittex has built up a reputation for reliable and quality in all the markets we serve today. We have put our name to the test by loading 4,870 kgs of material onto our flagship material called Z25, part of our Colour Shane product range. Every Knittex product has been made to a very high standard using the best pigments, high density polyethylene and ultraviolet inhibitors available. Tests are carried out on our material to meet the stringent standards set out and regulated various global standards provided, such as SATAS, South African Technical Auditing Services. Knittex boasts a 10-year manufacturer warranty against UV degradation. The Z25 range of fabrics have their own unique lock-stitch knit pattern and are heat set for additional dimension stability using a hot air stentering process, which is the most effective heat setting process available for shade netting products. This gives the product a memory that prevents the fabric from shrinking. The Z25 fabric are used for tension structure, shade sails and many other interesting and creative shade structures, and combine the benefits of privacy, sun, wind, hail protection and enhance the appearance of outdoor surroundings without fading. Most erectors, or so-called converters, putting up shade ports at car washes, vehicle dealerships, complexes and office blocks prefer our product. The reason for that is, except the warranty, our product is medium weighted at 190 grams square meters, a bit more stretchable, making it easy to work with, and the best of all, the strength of the material. If we can load on the same structure we have available today, covered with a Code 20 agricultural net with a burst of 55 kilopascal with 550 kgs without any failure, can you imagine what weight someone can put on this net with its 263 kilopascal, 2.63 bar more than most vehicle tires get pumped? Although it may not be superficially obvious, there's a lot of complexity in the development of knitting yarns and knitting patterns. Before knitting the net, the yarns are extruded, annealed and conditioned with 40 years of knowledge of where to find the optimal balance in strength and longevity. The knitting patterns have been designed to be tough and resilient. This becomes obvious when our material is exposed to distorting weight loads, as behind. Upon removal of the load, a small temporary deformation will remain, but due to the special conditioning of our yarns, they will return to the original tension on the structure once exposed to normal warm summer weather. The process may take a few days or a few weeks if the weather is very cold, but return to normal it surely will. Knittex remains committed to providing the best quality with the best service at the most affordable prices. We have a series of tests coming up. Be on the lookout for more.